To set up Do Not Disturb mode in Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find the Notifications tab. After entering it, look for Do Not Disturb mode, and then we can see all of the options. So let's start from the top. Here you'll be able to either enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode, and also change the behavior when you turn it on. What will happen? It will either enable it or disable it until you click on the switch, so it's simple turn on and off, or you can change it to enable it for a certain amount of time, or you can change it to ask every time, which when we enable it, it will ask us if we want to turn it off manually, or if we want to put a specific time that we can adjust right here. Next thing is schedules. This is also something about enabling and disabling Do Not Disturb mode. You can put Do Not Disturb mode on specific schedule, which will make it enable or disable on its own during that time. So click on Add Schedule, name it however you like, change on which days it should work, and then set time on which it should activate, and then the time that it should end. When it's ready, you will have your own specific schedule. Then we can finally customize what will happen when we enter Do Not Disturb mode. So we can enter calls and messages, and then right here you'll be able to allow only selected contacts to reach you when you're in Do Not Disturb mode, or allow all, that means everyone except the contacts that you will add right here, to reach you in Do Not Disturb mode. If you decided on the first option, there's more options below. We can also allow calls from non-favorite contacts only, or all contacts. We can also then enable repeated callers. If you activate this and somebody tries to call you 2 times in a span of 15 minutes, the call will go through. The same is for messages. You can apply it to everyone, contacts only, your favorite contacts only, or none of them. Then we have app notifications. You can add specific apps that will be able to bypass your Do Not Disturb mode, or you can allow all except the apps that you're going to add right here. Then there's alarms and other sounds. You can enable or disable alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, calendar events, and reminders in Do Not Disturb mode. And lastly, there's option for hide notifications. These are the other settings, like when the screen is off, you can hide full screen notifications and enable or disable it in Do Not Disturb mode. You can hide app icon badges. You can hide it from notifications panel. You can don't show pop-ups for notifications. And lastly, we can change the hide status bar icons as well. So that is all of the Do Not Disturb mode settings, and hopefully you'll be able to finish the setup for it for your own. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.